Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to view subscriptions on Shopify. If you've set up subscription products or apps in your Shopify store, here's how to view them. Log into your Shopify account at shopify.com and once logged in, you'll land on your admin dashboard. Look at the bottom left corner of your admin sidebar and click the settings icon. And from the settings menu, click billing. This section contains all payment-related information, including subscriptions and invoices. At the top, you'll see your current Shopify plan, renewal date and charges, and you can click Manage Plan to charge or cancel your current plan. Just scroll down to the App Charges or App Subscriptions section, and here you'll see all active third-party app subscriptions you're paying for through Shopify. If you offer subscriptions products like recurring orders, you'll find them from your main dashboard. Go to Products, then Subscriptions. You'll see all products and customers with active subscription plans. Click any product or customer to view details, billing cycle, and next payment date. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.